All right. Good morning. Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome back. The last day of the week, and we are halfway done with the month almost. Yeah, almost half day. Looks great. Good to see you all. Good morning, Lita. Good morning, Kathleen, everyone. Anyway, yesterday was a really fun day in the market. We had some really nice stocks that made some nice pops. I really thought the StubHub was fabulous. We're going to talk a little bit about that. There were a lot of other stocks out there, and there's a lot of stocks like this one moved up really nicely in pre-market. The VERO, we'll talk a little about that and check on level 4 and stuff and go from there. So market right now is only up about 16 points, not really moving too much, but there's a lot of greens on the watch list. There's some stocks that we've been doing some swing trades on. We're going to check them out and see if we want to continue to hold on to them and get out of them. But before we do that, as always, let's go check out what we traded yesterday. So whoever missed anything, this is what you missed. Let's start off with the big one, which was my all-time favorite, was StubHub. So StubHub yesterday, I saw the stock finally making a move. If you watched one of my videos on social media, I was talking a lot about the World Cup, and I was a big fan of StubHub. And the StubHub just went public not too long ago, and you could see the stock basically dropped all the way down here. Built a lot of good support levels around $10. I got in, thought it was going to go back, backed off, lost a little money on it, which is okay. Then it made a big move yesterday. Now, the kryptonite roof was $15 on this stock. So we saw the stock started making a move right around 14.50. Then kryptonite came on around 15, major resistance levels. And then boom, you could see how it just basically hovered right there. Orders that were out there on level 4, it got filled. Beautiful thing. All the way at 11 o'clock, ran to 16.50. Great runner. I thought this was probably the best, most comfortable trade out of all of them yesterday. So couple other ones also moved pretty well. ASTS. Only problem with this stock, it's expensive, but stock has continued to going higher, breaking all-time highs. We've been all over the stock ASTS for a while. So whoever got into that one, congratulations. You're looking pretty good because not only became a day trade, it turned into a swing trade. Josh has been all over this stock. IBRX. Now, I believe this company got FDA approval in Saudi Arabia or something like that for some cancer drug, whatever it is. And this stock has just been unbelievable last couple of days. It's going back on the watch list. It did great 3 days ago, 2 days ago, yesterday, and it's moving again today, up another 23%. This stock was all the way down to $2. It's already up almost about 200%. Great swing trade right there. PL, another nice little mover. You can look at the bottom right-hand side. You can see right here at the bottom, this stock has also been really well. Planet Labs, been a great day trade. And not only has been a good day trade, it turned into a good swing trade. And then it turned into a very good options trade because it does have good options on it too. So PL, I'm not going to put it back on the watch list right now. You know, it is Friday, so we want to be a little cautious on it. GLXY was another nice little mover yesterday. This one ran from 28 to 33. She's up a little bit this morning. Ugly spread, though. Be careful of that one. Lace, LAES, was another nice mover yesterday. A little bit more inexpensive. Was an $8 stock down to 4. Second day up. LUMN, another nice little mover right there. ZLV, another nice little mover, cheap one right there. Early morning runner from like 410 all the way up to about 475. And last one, SPHL. So all the things that you guys missed yesterday. This stock was just ridiculous, though. This thing was just just crazy. The stock was literally, you could see right here, was all the way down here around $2, ran to 25. Yesterday, it started right around 7, just didn't stop all the way to $20. Really nice movers. Some great shorts yesterday also. MSTR. We did really well with MSTR, and we got out of it. We had that nice little pot when Bitcoin made a good run. Good thing we got out of it. Took the profit. Can't go broke taking a profit on that one. Hood also coming back down. Now you could see it on a long-term chart, breaking lower lows. Coin same thing, coming on a downtrend. And last was OKLO. That one I did a video on for some of you didn't see on it. We did great on that trade. Great short yesterday. I'm still a fan of it. I sold it. We made a lot of money on it. Made 20,000. Could have made 30 if I sold it sooner. If I held on to it, I probably would have lost all of it. So, but great news came on. I want to keep an eye on that one. Love to see it go back to $75. All right. So let's see what's moving this morning, everybody. Once again, let's turn the page because that is yesterday. Today's a brand new day. There's always a new adventure at CyberTrading University. We're going to find new stocks that are trading. We always do. There's 25,000 stocks that trade in the market. We only need the top 5 that are moving. It's all about volatility. VERO is one of them. So good trend, 100 million shares already traded. What I really like about this stock, it's got good volatility, and there's a but. Right around here, 8 o'clock this morning, you could see it got all the way up to about 680. There is a big resistance levels right here around $7. Everybody see that right there? So you could see how it got there this morning and it backed off, and then all of a sudden someone showed up here around 620. So can it continue to go higher? Well, until we can knock out that big iceberg order, we're going to put it on hold, but we are going to be on the watch list. Love the volume, love everything about it. JFBR. 111% in pre-market. It gapped up really early this morning, but now she's starting to back off. She's kind of consolidating here. Don't like what I see on level 4. It looks very messy. So we'll put this on the B list. Listen, things can change when the market opens up. So that's right there. LCFY, 20 million shares trade in pre-market. This thing is extremely volatile. It's already been on a downtrend. It had a nice move early this morning. If you got in there, this was a great, easy trade right here. Look at this. 820 this morning. It was at 340. Shot up to $7. If you didn't get out at 7 and you didn't see what happened when it first opened up right around 8 o'clock this morning, you probably were not here trained at CyberTrading University. But if you were here a student, you did well. You made your money. You saw the order out there show up. I'll show you the order right here. Here's that order right there we're talking about. Look at that. He's sitting right there clear as day. I mean, come on. Could you be any more obvious? Follow the money, everybody. Anyway, it's going back on the watch list because this thing, if it does break it, which could happen, could have a breakout, we're gonna trade it. What's this thing? This thing just moved just now. This thing just popped right now. Let's put this on the list. Was a reverse stock split on this one right here. It's a $4,000 stock. OCG. Everyone remembers this one back in December. Looks like she's moving again. So let's put that on the watch list. Love those stocks. We love them. You know how much we go crazy for stocks like that. This one's starting to go down after being gapped up so big this morning. Let me bring up my 2-day chart. JAGX, cheap, 38%. Probably really slow. Resistance levels here. Probably is going to have a tough time breaking it. We'll scrap that one. SVRE up about 29%. It's gapping down already. That one's gapping down. That one's gapping down. IBRX we already know about. It's already on our watch list again. SEGG looks like it's testing yesterday's resistance levels. Got a little Fausto flag. Can be a swing trade. Can be a swing trade. Remember, it's all about the Fausto flags, everyone. All right, losers. What do we got going on here? Anything good? Nothing looks good here. These all gapped ups from yesterday, and they're down here. Nothing really crushed there. New York Stock Exchange, we're getting a little bit of move on this. The defense daily target. Military stocks moving? No, they're flat. Yeah, there's nothing. New York Stock Exchange always is nothing really moves all these ETFs. NVX, what's NVO doing? Yeah, this Novo has been moving up pretty decently. Nice little pop this morning. So, yep, there that is. There's Nuvo. Up a little bit there. Right is an ET. Which one you got there? ROLR. Yeah, I'm not too crazy about that one. The high roller, that's been a great swing trade. You know, good. I definitely don't want to put it on the watch list. Absolutely. High roller has been a really good stock for us. Been a great swing trade. That one looks pretty good. I like that one. Thanks for that. Thanks for sharing that. We'll put that on a watch list. All right, listen, it is Friday. We don't want to get too crazy. We don't want to get too cocky. Listen, yesterday we did do a open house. We got a lot of new members that are joining us here today. Welcome to CyberTrading University. Welcome to the floor. If you're in our trading floor and you're new, just sit back and watch. And like we always say, don't judge us on our winners, judge us on our losers, how we control them, because that's where everyone needs help. Winners take care of themselves. If you're watching on social media or watching this as a recording and you want to come and join us, take your phone, scan that QR code, and we'll get you here. We're here all day long. Don't get too cocky, everyone. Today's Friday. It's been a great month so far, and honestly, I think it's only getting better. Really excited about this year. You thought 2025 is great. 2026 looks even better. We're having this is probably the best January I've seen in a long time. So, but like as always, let's just make our days pay. Good luck, everybody. Josh, Rich, and me will be back in 15 minutes. For everybody else, feel free to click on that QR code. We'll see you in the trading room in 15 minutes. You want to come and join us. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading and trade safe. If I don't see you, enjoy the rest of your weekend.